Alright, hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be actually troubleshooting my setup again. Now, as you remember in the last video, we were troubleshooting this very headset. Now, this headset had a problem that it was connected to the PC via a Y splitter because I have a mechanism installed that basically administers how the KVM outputs sound, and also how the system output sounds, both to the speakers, which when I have like people around me, I do want them to also hear the audio coming from the system, and also to the headphones. So every time there's no one here, I do have the headphones plugged in and the speakers turned off, which is the case as you can see here. So my main issue after that day was, yeah, if you were keen-eyed, you would have seen that this monitor did not turn on in the end. And that was kind of expected when I looked at it once more, when I reversed the video. So this cable, as you can see here, is the one that goes to that monitor, right? So that's a VGA cable, and it's the longest VGA cable I have, at least the longest one that has proper quality, because some of the VGA cables don't have as good of quality, because as you know, VGA is an analog connection, not a digital one, so yeah, it might get interference, and this one's quite a durable and also like a very, a durable cable, I would say. So what happened was, the adapter, which is right here, and it still has the peel on it, because I know this is a disposable adapter, I'll get to why in a second here, broke. Now, as you can see, this is a display port to VGA adapter. And if you watch it from this angle, check that. Yep, it's broken. And the reason for that is when my parents were actually moving the PC around to clean stuff around there and stuff, basically to clean this part of the room, this angle, this thing was at this angle. Now, I don't know how it didn't break doing that back then, but it chose to break right around the time when I was in a rush to actually fix the audio. And it broke, and it hasn't been working for 8 days. Now, my solution to that is, of course, to get the same exact one. Yeah, it's short, it's still gonna have the same issue, but hey, it's still an adapter which we can use, which is all that I really worry about, because honestly, as you'll see through the content that's going to come around, we're not exactly going to be using this system for any longer, at least long term. Let me just get rid of that paper. Here we go. This is the new adapter. It looks exactly the same, except it has a lot more durability. Here, it's still fixed in place, and it still has the peel, and the other difference is it's not as dusty. And you know what, wherever I live, the dust is something you have to deal with because there's a lot of new construction, and if I literally have the window open for, I don't know what, like the night, you're gonna come back and your mouse is gonna be moving on a battlefield, on a beach, I would say. That will be more accurate. So yeah, let me just get this installed and let's see if it works. All right, it might be hard to see, but as you can see here, the adapter is connected to the PC right here, and the actual back part of the adapter is there. And yeah, wish us luck. Let's hope it actually works. There we go. I forgot the screen was actually turned off. Yes, there we go. Now it should be outputting on this screen at first. Come on, please, please. Don't be the port. I mean, I did check if the port was the issue, which I was fearing. Let's go! Hell yeah. Do you see that? Asus in search of incredible. So yeah, that's another issue solved, and I am so thankful this video is a single take with pauses in the middle. I paused it on my phone while recording, and yeah, equally sized Asus logos. Finally! I was waiting for this moment for a week, actually a little longer than a week, and yeah, we're finally here. I wish you luck with all your setups, and yeah, I'll hopefully see you in the next video again. Bye!